Guys, my mind is literally blown right now because we just made $100,000 in 7 days. Guys, I'm looking at this and this is literally insane. I'm gonna tell you guys how we were able to achieve this on TikTok. So I have to give you guys a little bit of a backstory so you understand how we even worked up to this step, because as you know, everything isn't just an overnight success. So in 2019, we had one of our biggest years in the wedding industry. We were just killing it. This was one of our first 6-figure years. We were doing big things. We were excited about what the future had in store for us, and then lockdowns everywhere.
From this evening, I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home.
This greatly reduced our business because our business is weddings. Weddings were essentially shut down. No more events in the country where I live. So during this super slow period in 2020, this led us to actually improve on things that we were lacking in, that we were not necessarily taking care of, specifically our marketing, because where we're at is such a small pond that once you do something good, word travels and you don't have to do much marketing to get things really going and get things really booming. Now, we figured since 2020 is here, we haven't been really posting our work, showing our brand the right amount of love. So what we decided to do is let's actually start posting some of these things on a platform that was starting to take off. It was starting to actually kill it in 2020, which is TikTok.
Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me.
We had so many wedding videos archived over the years that we have shot weddings, and we decided, hey, let's put this on TikTok and let's just see how it performs. We know this is a platform for dancing, girls, what else do you go on TikTok for? We scoured all of our archives and we got some of the best clips that we think is going to be relatable, not just in our country, but in the United States and all over the world. Some of these videos blew up beyond our wildest dreams. We got some videos that went absolutely insane. One of our videos hit 800,000 views.
So guys, I just got woken up out of my sleep because one of these videos that we posted is just going nuts. I don't know what happened. It just picked up all of a sudden. It's the one in the middle. This is at 800,000 views.
Bro, did you see the TikTok?
This is crazy.
We got over 800,000 views.
Hey, who you talking to?
Oh shit, gotta go.
This video went absolutely nuts on TikTok. So as you guys can imagine, when you get a viral video on TikTok for like a business product, your comments start popping, your inbox start popping, and then you start getting a few key emails. And we got a specific email from a wedding planner that was going to change how we did things. So you guys may not be familiar with the wedding industry, but briefly, in the wedding industry, the wedding planner is the person who is responsible for making bookings on behalf of the bride. So she can actually plug you into weddings that has a very high budget. They can help you get paid. They can help you get connected. So with this specific wedding planner, we actually got an invitation to come out and visit their venue in Dallas, Texas. As soon as that invitation is extended, we are on our way to Dallas, Texas to meet these people face to face. What's going on, bro? How far are you?
I'm literally 1 minute away.
I know it's some important information that I've been leaving out, but trust me, this is some good stuff that I got.
That's what I like to hear.
I think this is gonna be some money, bro.
Well, say no more. I'll see you in a few.
So after we've already met with the wedding planners, we've seen the venue, we've come to some kind of understanding on how we do our actual business. We was offered the opportunity to be on their preferred vendors list.
As soon as we get to the venue, we're gonna take a look around. We're gonna shoot the actual venue.
What this actually means is that you could be their go-to guy to handle videography, photography. If you're a DJ or if you make cakes, you would be their preferred person to do all of the weddings that comes through them. So after we had wrapped up everything we needed to do to be on the vendor list of the venue and the wedding planner, we were back on our way home. And by the time we already reached home, we had already booked up to 5 different clients just through these 2 alone. And that's how we made $100,000 in a short span of time. So guys, by no means did this just happen overnight. It took years of grinding to get up to this point. We actually had years of footage waiting to be posted, and we finally posted it. And it just happens that one of them went viral. And that wedding was so special that a literal rainbow appeared over the couple. If we did not film that wedding, I don't even know if it would be possible to have a viral video moment. it because all of the other videos, they kind of didn't do that well. It was this specific one that just popped off and went to 800,000 views. Yes, we could have possibly gotten lucky with having that viral clip, but when we actually approached the wedding planner in the venue, they saw that we had years and years of videos that we could show them just to show, hey, we have experience actually doing this work. So it does take luck to actually get your foot in the door, but you have to have some kind of work that you've been putting in behind the scenes to actually make something like this work. So if there's anything you guys can take away from this video, I'd say it's consistency. It wasn't until 2020 when we started consistently trying to market our business, got our foot in the door, and some amazing things happen. You never know when the door is going to open for you guys when you're out there putting in the work and you're being consistent. I hope that some of this information was able to help you just spark some ideas on how you could grow your business in 2021. So if you guys are interested in what we're doing to grow our business in 2021 and up until the next year, make sure you all subscribe. We're dropping some fire tips. Guys, I want you all to comment below. What are y'all doing to market your business differently in 2021? Y'all might find something that works from this video. I hope y'all do. Make sure y'all like this video. And until next time, guys, I'm Action Man. Peace out.